Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine. Here are the supplies I will be using today. I will leave them in the description below. I am calling this video Phase 2. In my first video, which is called Phase 1, I decorated my tree with a more traditional look, with an angel on top. In this video, I'm going to decorate the top of my tree with a look that's been around for a while and is very popular. So first I'm going to separate the stems from this artificial flower bouquet. Now I'm just pulling the first leaf off the bottom of the stems that I just cut. If you're going to do this, be sure to make a hole in each individual disc before you glue them together. It will make it so much easier. I realized this after the fact. I am now going to glue together the leaves that I moved off the stems earlier. After gluing the leaves together, it is now time to place your bead in the center of the leaves to make a flower. It is now time to place the little flowers that you just made all around the edge of the top part of the styrofoam. This will hide the stems of the long flowers and give it a more finished look. A lot of people like to do this type of style differently by sticking the stems of the flowers right into the top of the Christmas tree, but I thought I would do it a little differently by using round styrofoam and decorating it and then sticking the flowers into the styrofoam, and then it would, you know, sit on top of the Christmas tree like a hat. I'm going to add just a few red ornaments on the tree so it can complement the red flowers on top. Not too shabby. I really like the way it turned out. Took my husband a while to get used to it, but after a while he came around and said it looked really nice. He's more used to the traditional angel or a star being on top, but you know, I knew it would grow on him. I added the battery-operated string lights that I bought at the Dollar Tree on top. Have your tickets ready. Here comes the 8:45 right on time. I'd like to thank everyone for watching my channel and helping my small channel to grow. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, everyone, take care and happy holidays.